Good morning, Jai Hind, dear children. This is Abhishek Kumar Tiwari, Sunbeam School Ghazipur. Today I am taking the very important lecture that is the name of knockout fixtures. Procedure. In the knockout tournaments, a team continue to play the further matches as per schedule till defeated, or teams get the eliminated to play the further if defeated or the loss. In this tournament, only when the victorious team is allowed to play the further match until one team emerges as a winner. The procedure to draw the fixtures: knockouts, bye, shading, special shading, league, cyclic method, staircase method, and table method. What do you mean of the byes? Bye means it is a short of the privilege to a teams to play directly in second round. Means you the qualify, you get the bye means you the get the qualify the first round. You play directly match the second round. Seeding means directly you play the quarter final match. Special seeding also. The league, this is the method: cyclic method, staircase method, and tabular method. You use of this method and make the pictures. Essential point for knockout tournaments. Point to be considered for the preparation of the fixtures. The first point: total number of the team the participating, the total number of the byes, number of team in each half of the quarter, number of the byes to give in each half of the quarter. The fifth number is the total number of the rounds, the total number of the matches also. Match method of fixing bye. First bye is given the last team of lower half. Second bye is given to the first team of upper half. Third bye is given to the first team of lower half. And fourth bye is given to the last team of upper half, and so on. Knockout method of preparing the fixtures in knockout tournament. The total number of matches there n minus 1. N is represent the total number of the teams. Divide the number of the team into the two halves. Two halves. If the number of the team is not exact power of the 2, then 4, 8, 16, 34 and 64 and so on. And it is an odd number is there, then use this formula. Odd number is there, then use the divide the two parts, the upper half and lower half. The upper half formula n plus 1 upon 2. Lower half formula n minus 1 upon 2. Bye are given in this first round. Bye are given in this first rounds. Number of the byes 2x minus 1. N is a represent the total number of the teams. At power of the 2 means where is the power of the 2 is the more than number of the teams. Number of the round, the x is the represent the number of the rounds. If n is an even number, then upper half and lower half formula n upon 2. When team is the even number, then very important, very take care there. Then lower half and upper half, one formula is there, n upon 2. The number of the byes 2x minus n. Where is the 2x? More than number of the teams. Number of the round is represent the x. It's clear, beta? Then one example we are given to the even number. Number of the team is 12. It is a even number. The number of the match n minus 1, 12 minus 1, it is equal to 11. Upper half and lower half n upon 2, because it is an even number. N is a 12 upon 2, then we get the result 6 number. Clear? 2 6 are 12. Number of the byes 2 power of the 4 minus 12 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 minus 12. The 4 bye is given this picture. Number of the round kya? 2 power of the 4. This 4 is a round. 4 round is there. Clear? The first lower half is a 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. After then lower and upper half both is 6 6 6 6, and divide the one, draw the one line. Clear? In the center draw the one line. After then upside is the upper half and downside is the lower half. The first bye is given to lower half first team. Second bye is given to upper half, first team. Third bye is given to lower half, 7 number team, third bye. And fourth bye upper half, the last team, the 6 number team, fourth bye. Clear? Then after that, first round play the 2 between the 3 matches, 4 between the 5, after then 6 between the 9 and 10 between the 9. Other is given to bye, they will be not play. Second round bye with the 2 and between the 3, who's the winner, play with the winner. After then next winner play the next bye. Clear? Third bye is play the next winner, and this bye play with the next bye, winner play with the bye. After that it will be second round is completed. Next third round, winner, this winner and this winner, the quarter final, 4 team is there, 4 team, the 2 team is between the play, next 2 teams play, the 2 teams get, the 2 teams play together, after then get the winner. It should be clear. This is the first example there. Next example, this team is the odd number, the odd number matches there n minus 1, the total number of the match is 12 match. Upper half and lower half of formula different. Upper half is the n plus 1 upon 2, then 13 plus 1 is a 14 upon 2, 2 7s are 14. Get the result upper half, 7 team, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Clear? Draw the one line, because lower half 13 minus 1 upon 2, get the result 6. Clear? 13 minus 1, it's called 12, 2 6 are 12, the result is 6. The 1 2 3 4 5 6 team is there. We draw the one line, center line. Clear? Divide the 2 poles. It is the upper half, this is the lower half. Clear? Then the number of the byes 2 pay 4 power, means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16 minus 13. When result is the 3, means 3 by is given to this picture, and number of the round is 4, because 2 pay power 4, that is the round of the 4. Clear? Then next, first bye is given to 13 number, the lower half the last team. Second bye is given to upper half first team, and third bye is given to lower half first pin 8 number. Clear? Then after then continuous play with the match. So first round, first team is to get the bye, they will be not play the first round. Second and third between the play the match. After then third and fourth between the match. 6 between the 7 match. Third is 8 number team is get the bye, third bye, they will be not play the first round. 9 between the 10 matches there. After then 11 between the 12, one team is a winner here. After then bye with the play the next winner play with the bye, next winner. Clear? Then next bye play with the winner, and next winner play with the bye. Clear? After then 4 team is here. After then play to each other, 6 between the 7. After then here the 8 between the 9s. After the here also play last 2 team is there, upper half and lower half, then play to each other. Clear? After then winner will be decided. Understood beta everyone? This is the even and odd number for the making the knockout fixtures. This key point is the keep in your mind. Clear? Next, number of the team each quarter. If the number of the team are the more team are the divided into the quarters. Procedure of the explain or the under. When number 20 team is there, 28 team is there, then 4 quarters there. 7 7 7 7. Clear? 29 team, 7 plus 1 7 7 7. 30 team is there, 7 plus 1 7 7 plus 1 and 7. Third quarter will increase the 1, and first quarter also include the 1. Clear? 31st team is a 7 plus 1 7 plus 1 7 plus 1 and 1 is a 7. Clear? 32 team is there, then 8 8 8 8. Clear? 33 8 plus 8 8 8. Clear? 34 8 plus 8 8 plus 8. The same sequence we follow this one. How many team is there? Make this one. Okay. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.